In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reverse image search on Google. Reverse image search is a really useful feature when you want to know more about a picture. Maybe you've saved an image and you're not sure where it came from. You want to find higher quality versions, or you'd like to see similar images or related content. Google's reverse image search can help you do all of that in just a few clicks. First, open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. At the top right of the page, you should see a small option for Google Images, or you might see a link that says Images. Click that to go to Google Images. You'll know you're in the right place when the Google logo appears with the word Images underneath it, and the search bar looks the same as usual but is meant for image searching. Now, look closely at the search bar. On the right side of the bar, you should see a small camera icon. This is the key to doing a reverse image search. Go ahead and click the camera icon. When you click it, Google will give you two main options. You can either paste an image link, or you can upload an image directly from your device. If you already have a link to an image from a website, copy that link, then choose the option to paste the image URL and place the link in the box that appears. This is handy if you're browsing online and see a picture you want to investigate. If the image is saved to your computer or phone, choose the option to upload an image instead. Click Upload a File, or choose File. Then navigate to where the image is stored on your device. Select it and confirm. Once the image is uploaded or the link is added, Google will automatically start searching. After a moment, you'll see results that may include the same image on other websites, visually similar images, and web pages that contain or relate to that picture. You can scroll through these results to find the original source, learn more context, or discover different sizes and versions. If you're on a mobile device using the Chrome browser, another quick tip is to press and hold on an image you see in a web page and select Search Image with Google, or a similar option, which performs the same type of reverse search. That's all there is to it. With these steps, you can quickly reverse image search on Google whenever you need more information about a photo.